In this video, I'll show you how to enter promo code on OneXBet. Subscribe to this channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional OneXBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So, if you want to enter a promo code on OneXBet, the first thing for you to do is to claim the promo code. So, to claim the promo code, go out to your promo codes here and you come to your promo code. And if you have an active promo code, right now I don't have an active promo code. But if you have an active promo code, it can be for a single bet. You can buy one if you have points. So you buy it, read the instructions. So how do you enter it? If you already have a promo code, copy it, come over to the event you want to bet on. So for instance, I want to bet on a normal common event like this one. I click on bet, and then instead of using my money, I'm going to use on promo. Then I'm going to go ahead and enter the promo code here and then just click on bet, and it's going to automatically bet from that promo code.